a great way to get lots of free traffic is through press releases. Now, the key here to have a successful press release is to have something that is worthy of news. You got to remember that a press release is not an advertisement or a sales page. It has to be a newsworthy event. You can write something related to a topic that's hot in the news right now. Now, to find media outlets that will accept your press releases, you may want to first contact local media outlets, as they're more likely to pick up your press release if you're in their community. And to increase your chances of your press release being accepted, it's a great idea to give media outlets things such as Q&A sheets or question and answer sheets and biography sheets, as these will help you stand out. A Q&A sheet is a list of questions that a reporter can interview with if they do decide to interview you. And not only is this helpful to the reporter, but it'll make them look good. And of course, a biography sheet is something that describes who you are and your credentials, and why you're an authority on that topic. Another way to get your press release out is to submit it to press release submission sites, and you could do a Google search for that. But the best one out there right now is this site that we're looking at, which is prweb.com.